Hi guys, maayong hapon guys. Pagkaroon guys, nandito na naman kami sa
Snow.
labas guys. Snowing again.
Snow. Snow.
It's
Snow.
RJ.
Snow. Snowman.
Yeah,
I will make the snowman.
let's see. Snowman RJ make before. Earlier before. So today, magsashovel na naman kami guys. Ito ang snowman ni RJ. 1, 2, 3 snowman. They make RJ. Look at that. The snowman. Still snowing here guys. Non-stop the snow. Yan o, RJ. Always making snow. RJ, make with your pants, RJ. It's super cold.
Okay.
Look at that. Wow, it's so big. So ito guys. Tingnan yung paligid guys. Yan, ang dilim na. It's 4 o'clock. Still snowing dito guys. Ah, hi guys. Dito naman ako guys. Magsa-shovel naman kami oh. Tingnan nyo, non-stop ang snow guys. Hanggang kaninang buntag guys. Nag-start ang snow until now is 4 o'clock.
Maybe if I wasn't a class.
Still snowing guys. Parang 11 o'clock RJ. Nag-start.
Yes.
Oo. Yan guys oh. Si RJ. Come here now RJ. We go to shovel now RJ. Yeah. Okay, go na kasi. Night time now later RJ. Okay, we go now. Okay guys. So shovel naman kami guys. I show you guys the snow here in the front. Okay. So yun guys, so ang snow hindi masyado makapal. Yan ang snow guys. So ang snow dito si RJ. Okay, start now RJ.
Ready?
Yan namin sa shoveling guys. Parang gabi na dito. Ang aming mga kapitbahay tapos na, kami wala pa natapos. Yan RJ. Parang 1 inches RJ today. Look like 1 inches. See?
The more you go,
Yeah.
it's more 5 inches.
Magsushovel na kami. Putting RJ apart. Maybe RJ. Wait, I take video with you. So heavy. My goodness. Basa kasi, that's why. Yes. Lighter yesterday, RJ. Bumper now. It's heavy. Tundo, ay ka na to. It's heavy. It's heavy. Yan, si RJ, nagsa-shovel. Oh no. What you doing? Look at me. What you doing there?
No, we'll fight.
I don't do that. Later that, after done.
Okay.
Here is. Is the snow. Parang 1 inches pero ang bigat. Bigat na pala. Yun. So, dito na guys, mayroon ng Christmas light sa mga bahay dito. Dito naman tayo, RJ.
Gotta keep going, but
What? Don't do that.
yeah.
Don't do
Hey,
that.
throw one at me.
Don't throw me.
Throw one
Don't
at
do
me.
that.
Throw one at me.
Be, I throw it you. You give me to throw you.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no!
Snap.
Isa.
I offended myself.
That's it, guys. Oo. Gabi na, guys. Gabi ang lamig, RJ. Ang itsura ko. Nag-uulan naman ng snow dito, guys. Yan. Okay guys, ma-turn on ko na dito guys. Ito. Turn on. So ilalagay na natin tong tomato sauce. Ito guys.
No tomato sauce.
Okay guys, ito na guys. Lagay natin to dito lahat. Oh my goodness. Splashing. I-streamer lang natin to guys. Maganda kapag streamer ang luto guys dahil mayroong magandang labas ang taste niya. Yan. Wala na Wala nang laman sa loob. At saka ito din guys, half lang dahil ang dami kapag lahat. Ito guys, 26 counts, so 13 ilalagay natin dahil half lang ating lulutuin. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yan. Yan guys. Yan siya guys Ayan. Pot in medium heat. Okay. Yan guys. Half. Yan siya guys. Patuloy. Yan. Tingnan natin mamaya. Okay guys, tingnan na natin guys kung ano na, luto na ba. Yan guys. Parang luto na. Yeah. Strainer lang guys. Mga 20 minutes. Ito na ang resulta. Ayan, tingnan natin. Mag-testing tayo kung luto na ba to. Kuha tayo ng plato. Okay. Tingnan natin, luto na ba to? Yun. Ayan. Dahil gusto kasi to ni Daddy. Gusto niya ng meatball. Yun. Tingnan natin kung luto na ba to. Ayan, luto na guys, oh. Ayan. Kainan na guys. So, yun. Testing natin to. Sarap guys. Ayan. Meatball and tomato sauce lang guys para madali lang lutuin. Ang humok niya guys. So, that's it for today guys. Sana na-enjoy nyo at kung bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa sunod kong mga video. See you next video guys. Bye-bye! Hi guys. Tingnan nating labas guys. Palagi nag-snow. Nag-uulan ng snow guys. So, kahit anong oras na, 7, almost 7 na guys. 5 minutes before 7. At saka, ipakita ko sa inyo ang labas guys. Ito oh. Yan ang labas guys. Nagsusnow pa rin. Yan. Lovely. Open tan yung pultahan guys. Yan guys, ang labas. Ang grabing snow. So cold, RJ. Tignan guys, ang labas. Yan. Grabe. Ang lamig. Yan.
Snowman.
Grabe, ang lamig dito guys. RJ, so cold, RJ. No, turn off the light. Yan. Ang lamig. Tignan nyo mga bahay, mayroon ng Christmas light. Yan. Doon, RJ, oh. So cold, RJ. Yun, oh. Ang ginagawa ni RJ today, mini snowman. Look at that, RJ. Your mini snowman.
I'm gonna grab off the head and destroy the head, and then I'm gonna make the biggest thing ever.
Huh?
I'm gonna make the biggest thing ever.
Whoa, it turned up. Oh, there is RJ. I see RJ. No, it's so cold, RJ. Look at you. You have no jacket. Come here now. Come here. We go now here inside. Yan, ang labas. Ang lamig. You make wet your socks. Your pants is ripped. Okay. Okay guys, nandito kami sa room
There's
guys.
100 pieces of snow.
Tingnan natin ang front.
100 inches of snow.
Front
100.
yard. Tingnan natin.
Open
Open.
Open the window.
Yan. Yan guys. So, tingnan nyo ang snow sa labas guys. Yan.
Open the window.
Don't open the window. Yan. Tingnan. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Oh my God, it's so cold. Look at that. Look at the light, RJ.
Does it touch us?
Yeah, look at the.
How do we take this off?
It is. Ganda da. Wow, ang lamig, RJ. Ang daming
Hello.
snow.
Hello.
Tingnan nyo ang snow, guys.
Hey, look at the snow.
Yan ang
We're
aming,
gonna be plowing 3-4
ang
inches of
aming
snow.
neighborhood. Ang daming light doon, no? Oh no, mayroong car. RJ.
Don't tell me this.
No.
Wait, what
Okay.
happens if that big giant storm
What?
just went? After a piece of snow just fell right into our window right
For
here.
bed. Not want to broke. Tingnan nyo ang driveway, guys. You cannot see. Mayroong kasing halaman doon,
Can
no?
you see?
Yan, ang driveway.
I
Bago
wish
pa
that
namin ni
if this wasn't out,
pala. And then, mayroon na naman.
if this
Ang
wasn't
dami
here,
na namang snow.
if this wasn't here, I'll stick my window through. I stick my head in this.
Tomorrow, mag-shovel naman tayo, RJ.
12 hours of shoveling.
Okay,
I
guys.
hope it
That's
snows
it.
tomorrow.
Close now, close.
Probably gonna snow tomorrow, right? Is it
Yeah.
gonna snow tomorrow?
You still have snow now.
Wait.
See, always have snow. Not yet stop. Still snowing, RJ. Hey,
One
close.
sec, I need to
What you do? What you doing? Close
open
now,
the window
close.
again.
I don't do that. It's so cold.
Look it up. You see the water drip?
Yep, it's dripping the snow there, RJ. Okay, you lock now this. Make sure you lock it, RJ.
Yes, it is locked. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Let's make this room dark.
Wait.
Hey, look
There
this
is
TV.
RJ.
Look at this TV.
There is
Like the
RJ.
TV. There's the TV that's broken. You have this remote. You have this remote.
It's
you
old
have these
TV.
two remotes. You have this remote. You have
What you
you have
doing,
this
RJ?
remote.
You have no pants, RJ. Your
remote.
pants is ripped. Look at your pants, RJ. It's ripped.
I got axe on my head. I'm gonna gather materials.
Here is RJ.
I have earned wood in Fortnite.
Okay, that's it for now, guys. Kissy, bye-bye, RJ.
Hey you, I'm gonna turn on this.
Kissy, it bye-bye,
I'm gonna
RJ.
turn on this.
Turn on.
Hey, look.
That's the TV in Philippines, RJ, like that.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, like that. Oh no.
3. No, channel 2.
Is
Oh. 2. 2.
have
Two.
no, RJ?
Channel 2.
Have
Got
no
two. Oh, this isn't on.
antenna? Oh, you not turn on the antenna. There you go.
Digital.
Yep.
PBS Kids.
There is. Okay, RJ. Maybe copyrighted, RJ. Okay, say bye-bye now. Okay, bye-bye,
Oh,
RJ.
wait, you guys. You guys. You guys, I need to show you something. I need to show you something.
What?
I'm gonna turn on this. Just
No,
kidding.
no,
Now.
no.
I will come in here.
Okay, guys. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. See you next video,
What?
guys. Bye-bye.
I second.
Okay, RJ.
Hello.
What
This
you
is
do,
my
RJ?
first ever backpack.
Yeah, you're free school.
Does it still fit me? It's yes.
That's your free school backpack. It's so little.
I'm ready to go to school.
Okay, bye-bye. Hi, RJ.
Hi, Yatni McQueen, Thingy, Bungle, Singy, Singy,
Okay.
Thingy.
Okay. Now, RJ, say bye-bye,
In
RJ.
the old days, I yelled Daddy
What?
McQueen so much.
Yeah.
Ka-chow.
What's that?
I used this in first grade.
Lance buck?
No, the first day on first grade, I
Yeah.
used this lunchbox.
Yeah.
My first ever lunchbox I ever got.
Yeah.
Before I didn't even know what lunchboxes are. But here's my second backpack.
Yeah.
It broke.
That is a first grade.
It
Yeah,
broke.
it's broken.
No, this is not first grade.
What?
This is
Second?
mostly a kindergarten and half first
Oh, yeah.
grade.
Kindergarten and
It
first
broke.
grade.
It
Yeah.
doesn't work. See?
Yep.
what's in it? Nothing.
Okay.
You know what happens. And then I have my
What?
lunchbox.
Yep. Other
My
lunch box.
favorite lunchbox has this. Has
Yep.
this 2 water that you put in. Has a not broken zipper.
Yeah, that's your first grade lunch
And then
box.
I do this. I do this while I eat.
Okay. Okay, RJ, that's it for today.
And that's it. I'll see you after the TV. What the
Okay.
heck?
Okay, you go to sleep now. It was so cold
Okay,
outside.
go sleep.
So cold
Okay, I'm gonna
outside,
sleep. I'm gonna go
RJ.
sleep with a remote.
Okay, say bye-bye now, RJ.
Goodbye. As I turn off the TV.
Okay, bye-bye. See you next video, guys.
Turn off! Turn off!
Bye for now.